Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So the nose is basically a centerpiece of the face. It's what we look at when we talk to someone. If you feel like your nose is too wide, too long, or has a bump on the bridge, it can bother you in every single photo. So FaceApp is one of the only mobile apps that lets you change this with surgical precision. According to the official FaceApp documentation, you can enlarge or minimize facial features easily. So while FaceApp doesn't have a huge nose job button, it has something better. The merge feature combined with transform tools, as an official blog post explains. The merge feature allows you to adjust the specific facial features independently. So as you see here, this is the difference between the two photos. I think you can actually see the difference. So this means you can tweak your nose and the rest of your photo stays untouched. This is how we avoid that weird melted plastic look as in the picture. So how to do it is basically pretty easy. Select the reshape tool, then open your photo and navigate to the edit or tools section. Look for the reshape or transform icon, sometimes represented by a curved arrow, basically like a Wi-Fi icon. This is the tool that lets you push and pull pixels. Then you can zoom in for precision. Pinch to zoom in on the nose area. You want the nose to fill most of your screen, so your finger movements are small and precise. Just keep zooming basically until you are done. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.